Do you know what state has the world's smallest river, smallest park, and the deepest lake in the United States? It's Oregon. Oregon is known for its mountains, forests, and scenery, but there is much more to this Northwest state. With its area of 96,002 square miles, it is the 10th largest state in the United States. Oregon has a population of almost 3.5 million people. The capital of Oregon, located in the Willamette Valley, is Salem. Salem has many government and historical buildings. In Salem's Riverfront Park, people transformed a huge, ugly metal ball into a tiled globe showing interesting things from around the world. Portland is Oregon's largest city. There are many great places to go and things to see in Portland. Portland's eco-friendly rail system makes it easy to get around the city. Oregon's second largest city is Eugene. Eugene is home to one of Oregon's two universities, the University of Oregon. Eugene has several places for outdoor activities like jogging and biking. Oregon is divided into 5 regions or areas: the Coastal Range, the Willamette Valley, the Cascade Mountains, the Columbia Plateau, and the Basin and Range region. The Coastal Range runs along the western border of Oregon near the Pacific Ocean. These mountains are the lowest mountains in the state. Oregon has several beaches since it borders the Pacific Ocean. Unlike other states, the coastline in Oregon is publicly owned. The Willamette Valley is east of the Coastal Range, running from Portland to Eugene. The Willamette Valley has rich farmland where several different crops are grown. The Willamette Valley is the most populated area in Oregon. The Cascade Mountains separate western Oregon from eastern Oregon and are the highest mountains in the state. Mount Hood, in the Cascades, is Oregon's highest point at 11,239 feet above sea level. The Columbia Plateau covers most of eastern Oregon. Most of this region is dry grassland. The Blue Mountains and Hells Canyon are both part of this region. The Basin and Range region covers southeastern Oregon. Most of this area is lonely desert. Oregon has several rivers and lakes. The shortest river in the world, the Dee River, runs 100 yards from Devil's Lake to the Pacific Ocean. The Columbia River, which forms part of the border between Oregon and Washington. The Willamette River, which runs through the Willamette Valley. And the Snake River, which forms part of the border between Oregon and Idaho. Oregon's largest lake is the Upper Klamath Lake. Oregon also has Crater Lake, which is the deepest lake in the United States. The climates in western and eastern Oregon are very different. The climate in the western part of Oregon is usually mild and wet because of the moisture from the Pacific Ocean. The eastern part of the state is drier because the Cascade Mountains block the ocean moisture. Now you know some fascinating facts about Oregon.